how to sell handmade fabric book covers on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. So as you can see in here, we have a lot of products to buy in this platform, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So for example, let's check one of these products. Let's say this one, for example. So in today's video guys, I'm going to show you how you can create a shop page exactly like this one, where you can list your product, add the products page or the products pictures and the products video if you have one, where also you can enter the price of the product, the description, the sizes and all of that. Also how to add the details of your product and the description, and how to add or how to set the return and shipping policies like these ones, how to set the shipping and return policies. So let's go back to the first page. Let's close this one, then go to your top right, then click on the shop manager button. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop. So here, as you can see, we have 6 steps to go through in order to set our Etsy shop. And the first step is the shop preferences. Then comes choosing a name for your shop. Then you stock your shop. Then you choose how you'll get paid. You set up the billing or the payment processors. Then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And here we choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So for example, let's change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is choosing a name for the shop. So here I'm going to give it handmade fabric book covers. Then I'm going to try to shorten the name to be less than 20, to be between 4 and 20 characters. So here, as you can see, it's between 4 and 20 characters now, but it's already taken. So you can choose one of these names, or you can just add a number to the name. Then the name will be unique. After that, click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stocking your shop or adding some photos and details about your item. So guys, in this step, we will add some photos and details about the item. You will fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So before proceeding to adding the photos and details about the item, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. So here the first field is photos. You will need at least one photo. Then we have the inventory. You will need to give the product a price. Then we have the listing details. You will need also to fill all of these red fields. Then comes the shipping, where you will need to fill all of these details as well. So let's start from the first step, which is photos. So here, add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video. Aim for 1080 pixels or higher. Crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So we start with the title. Here, just enter the title of your product. Then you answer these 3 questions. Who made it? You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with the finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. Then we have the category. So here just type your product's name and you will have a lot of categories to choose from. So let's choose the first one, which is the book covers category. And here you will have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product, the secondary color, and the pattern. Then we have the renewal options. If you want to choose an automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you want the manual renewal, which is free. Then we have the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital product. So let's leave it at physical. Then for the description, in order to enter a good description for your product, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say. Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. If you have them, you can add their details in here. Then for the section tags and materials, they're all optional, so let's just skip them for later. Then we have the inventory and pricing. So here, make sure to give your product a fair price for you and for your clients as well. Then we have the shipping. So as I said in the beginning, just make sure to fill all of these read fields with the right information, of course. So for example, you select the processing time from 5 to 7 days, for example, and you do the same with the delivery time in your country. Let's say 9 days. Then we have the returns and exchanges policy. So here you can adjust, apply the 30 days one, or you can choose another one. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.